Today, I am reviewing the Tech 768GB kit, 12 by 64GB, RAM for Apple Mac Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When dealing with third-party memory on Apple hardware, the primary concern is always compatibility. Fortunately, installing these modules into the 2019 Mac Pro Tower is a seamless process. The Mac Pro utilizes a specific 12-slot memory architecture, and this kit occupies every single one of those slots with matched 64GB modules. This total utilization is critical because it allows the system to take full advantage of its 6-channel memory controller, maximizing overall bandwidth. Whether you are running a 12-core, 16-core, 24-core, or the top-tier 28-core processor configuration, the ATEC memory populates cleanly, is recognized immediately by macOS without any troubleshooting, and clocks in at its full native speed of 2933 MHz. It is worth noting for users with the entry-level 8-core model that the memory will automatically downclock to 2666 MHz, which is a hardware limitation of that specific Apple processor rather than a fault of the RAM itself. The true test of a 768GB memory kit lies in its stability under sustained professional workloads. This is enterprise-grade, ECC Registered memory, operating at the industry's standard 1.2 volts. The inclusion of error-correcting code technology is absolutely vital for the target audience of this product. When you are rendering complex three-dimensional scenes, compiling massive software builds, or editing multicam 8K video timelines, a single memory error can result in a catastrophic system crash or corrupted data. Throughout extensive testing involving massive digital audio workstation projects with hundreds of virtual instruments, as well as intensive virtualization setups running multiple operating systems simultaneously, the ATEC kit maintained absolute rock-solid stability. There were no unexpected kernel panics, no application crashes, and zero signs of data degradation. The dual-rank, 4-bit configuration architecture works precisely as intended, providing the exact reliability expected from mission-critical workstation components. Performance scaling with this kit is remarkable. Moving from a lower capacity configuration to 768GB eliminates memory caching to the solid-state drive entirely, even under the most abusive workflows. Applications like Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, and Logic Pro are notoriously hungry for random access memory. With this kit installed, you can comfortably allocate massive memory caches to individual applications while still leaving hundreds of gigabytes free for background rendering and system tasks. Scrubbing through uncompressed footage feels completely instantaneous, and complex effects that used to stutter due to RAM bottlenecks now render smoothly in real time. It is incredibly important to remember the installation guidelines specified by both Apple and ATEC, specifically that these ECC Registered DIMMs cannot be mixed with other memory types such as unbuffered DIMMs or load-reduced DIMMs. Because this kit replaces all 12 slots, mixing is not an issue, but it is an important note for anyone thinking of upgrading piece by piece. ATEC ships these modules after rigorous quality control testing, and it shows in the physical build quality and performance consistency across all 12 sticks. Furthermore, the inclusion of a limited lifetime warranty provides peace of mind, which is essential when making a substantial financial investment into a production machine. For professionals whose time is money, the ATEC 768GB memory upgrade is a highly recommended, cost-effective alternative to Apple's steep factory RAM prices. It unlocks the true workstation potential of the 2019 Mac Pro, delivering phenomenal speed, expansive multitasking freedom, and the uncompromising reliability that modern digital creators, engineers, and data scientists require to get their work done efficiently.